This is Mark at Independent Motorsports. We've got a super clean 2018 Yamaha R3 for sale. The bike is in showroom condition. I didn't see any flaws when I photoed it. Tires are new. It's an ABS model, and it's got super low miles on it. I think like 1,200 miles. (1,242 miles). The bike is all stock and great beginner bike, easy to ride, quick little bikes, good amount of torque. They perform well on the freeway and get great gas mileage. You can see this really pristine 2018 R3 at Independent Motorsports, 3930 South High Street in Columbus. Ride safe and ride independent.